Welcome to Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. We are seeking Vegas sunrise, and this is a room tour of the Royal Suite Strip View. This was our first time staying in this room type. As you walk in, you have your controls for the room. And it was great because it had an extra bathroom, which actually has a full shower. Walking into the room, on your right, you have a little kitchenette area. Full mini bar. It's more of a wet bar, but you have countertops and the standard cocktail setup and cooler for drinks. It does take a little while to cool down, but it did a pretty good job for us this trip. Extra drawer. Plenty of storage space. Ice bucket and glasses. And snacks. A really cool feature of this room was a breakfast bar. And the full living room. Coming around the corner, you have the bedroom, the king-size bed, you have a thermostat in both rooms, dresser to put your clothes away, large closet, there's an area to get ready, bathtub, another sink, this room comes with the higher end amenities. You have shaving cream, toothpaste, mouthwash, a toothbrush, and a razor. Robes and a full stand-up shower with a bench. This was really a great room, plenty of space. Amazing views. It was considered a great view, strip view. We had a view of the pool, Resorts World, the Wynn, Circus, Convention Center, and the full strip, as well as the Sphere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you feel like it. We'll see you at sunrise.